Hey there, welcome to Insight Technologies. We're here to help you make sense of tomorrow, together. This is where curiosity and new ideas come together. We'll check out the coolest breakthroughs in AI and the digital tools that are changing how we live and work. Whether you're a student, a creator, or just someone who loves to learn, this channel puts you right in the front row for what's next. Every day, new tech is changing how we think, work, and connect with each other. So go ahead, hit subscribe and join a community that's always learning, growing, and helping shape the future one discovery at a time. Ready to see what AI can really do? Let's dive in, together. You know, it really feels like we're living in an amazing time right now. Names like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity are popping up everywhere and changing how we live and work. If you're curious about AI and where tech is headed, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe for more from Insight Technologies. These aren't just computer programs, they're more like creative teammates. They're helping us learn new things, work smarter, and solve problems together. This isn't some sci-fi movie, it's real and it's happening right now. Generative AI is opening up a whole new world for our minds, and it's pushing us to be even more curious and creative. We're not just using these tools, we're working alongside them. Together, we're exploring a brand new landscape of knowledge. This change is as big as when the printing press or the internet first showed up. Generative AI lets us have real conversations between our ideas and what machines can do. That back and forth leads to discoveries, like writing stories, designing buildings, or even understanding the universe. There's really no limit except our own imagination. We're just getting started on this adventure. Let's take a closer look at these thinking machines, not with fear, but with a sense of wonder. We'll see what they are, how they work, and how they can actually become our partners. This guide's for everyone: students, artists, scientists, and anyone who's just plain curious. Welcome to the age of generative AI. We'll figure it out together, step by step, and build the future side by side. The map's still being drawn, and we're the ones holding the pen. These tools are here to help us think in new ways and stretch what we're capable of. We're explorers, and there's a whole new world out there. The conversation between people and machines is just getting started. So, let's start exploring. The future's all about working together. Come join us as we step into this new age. Think of generative AI as your creative buddy. It's all about making new things, like stories, pictures, or even music. Not just copying what's already out there. It learns from tons of info, then comes up with something original. Imagine a friend who's read 1,000,000 books and now writes their own story. That's kind of how it works, but don't worry, it's not here to take your place. It's here to help you out and work with you. Think of it like a super smart helper that handles the boring stuff so you can spend more time being creative. It gives you new ways to share ideas and solve problems. Using generative AI is a bit like chatting with a helpful friend. You ask it something, and it comes back with ideas or answers. It's always ready to brainstorm with you, and it never gets tired. Picture it as a co-pilot. You're still flying the plane, but it helps you find new routes. You're always in control. Generative AI is just a tool, guided by your ideas and values. It's a partnership, your imagination, and AI helps make it real. You can ask, tweak, and explore together. It's not about robots taking over, it's about making you even better at what you do. The more you use it, the more you'll see what's possible. It's always there to help you learn, create, and solve problems. The secret? Work together, not against each other. With generative AI, your ideas can go further than ever. The future's bright for anyone who learns to use these tools well. Let's see how this partnership works in real life. You know, not every generative AI tool is the same. Each one's got its own personality, kind of like a family of helpful assistants. Take ChatGPT, for example. It's awesome at chatting, explaining things, and even helping you write or code. If you need a quick answer or want to brainstorm, it's right there for you. Claude? It's the careful one. Always thoughtful, great at summaries, and super reliable for analysis. If you want something double-checked or explained simply, Claude's got your back. Then there's Gemini from Google. It's the multimedia whiz. Understands text, images, even audio and video. So if you want to mix things up, Gemini can handle all kinds of info at once. It can even listen and watch, not just read. Plus, it connects right to Google Search, so it's super handy for research. If you're juggling lots of media or digging for info, Gemini's a great pick. Perplexity AI. Think of it as your super smart librarian. It's all about giving you clear answers and showing exactly where the info comes from. Perfect for fact-checking or when you want to know the source. you can always see the trail back to the original info. So every tool brings something different to the table. Conversation, caution, multimedia, or research. Just pick the one that fits what you need right now. These AIs are here to boost your strengths, not replace you. They're more like teammates than just tools. The right AI can help you work faster, smarter, and get more creative. Try them out, see which one matches your style, explore their personalities, and you might find your perfect match. The world of generative AI is growing fast, so go ahead, discover what each one can do for you. So, what can these AI tools actually do for you and me? Honestly, they're kind of like everyday magic. They help you chat, brainstorm, and get creative. Stuck on a project or need a fresh idea? Just ask and you'll get suggestions in seconds. Can't think of a gift for someone? ChatGPT can toss out ideas that actually fit your friend's style. Need to write an email or put together a quick report? AI can draft it for you so you can focus on what you want to say. It helps you get past that blank page and even polishes your writing. Doing research? Tools like Perplexity give you clear answers with sources. No more endless scrolling. You save time and can actually focus on understanding, not just searching. AI can explain tough stuff, write song lyrics, or even help plan your meals. It adapts to what you need, whenever you need it. Really, the only limit is what you're curious about. Play around, experiment, and you'll find new ways to learn and create. These tools are like a playground for your mind. They make tricky tasks simple, and open up new possibilities you might not have thought of. With AI, you can do more and do it faster. The only real limit? Your imagination. If you want to get the most out of generative AI, it all starts with how you ask. That's called prompting, and it's easier than you might think. A prompt is just what you tell the AI to do, like giving directions to a helpful assistant. The clearer you are, the better the results you'll get. Think of AI like a genie. If you're vague, you might get a weird answer. But if you're specific, you get something amazing. So instead of just saying, write a story, try something like, write a short story for a 10-year-old about a friendly robot named Bolt who gets lost in a forest and finds a happy ending. The more details you give, the better the AI can help. It also helps to share a little context, like who it's for or what you want to do. Don't be afraid to experiment. Ask the AI to act like a travel guide or help you plan a meal or just try out new ideas. If you don't love the answer, tweak your prompt and try again. That's how you learn what works. Prompting is all about trying things out, adjusting, and guiding the AI to what you want. That back and forth is how you get the best results. Good prompts unlock everything AI can do for you. Once you get the hang of it, you'll get way more out of your AI partner. You know, the real magic happens when people and AI team up. AI brings all this knowledge and speed to the table, and we humans, we add creativity and good judgment. It's not us versus the machines, it's us plus the machines. Like say you're a designer with a cool logo idea, AI can whip up a bunch of options for you and then you just pick and tweak the best bits. Or maybe you're a scientist, AI helps spot patterns in all that data, and then you use your know-how to figure out what it all means. We're always in the driver's seat, the editor, the curator, the one making the call. AI gives us the raw material and we turn it into something meaningful. When we work together like this, discovery and creativity just take off. The best results? They come from mixing machine power with a little human wisdom. So, let's think things through, polish our ideas and add our own spark. The future? It's for folks who team up with AI, not just those who use it, so stay curious, stay involved. Together there's no limit to what we can do. You know, AI and humans are already teaming up in ways that make everyday life a whole lot easier. In schools, AI helps teachers figure out what each student needs and makes learning more personal. At work, AI keeps projects on track and lets managers spend more time with their teams instead of just chasing deadlines. It handles the busy work so people can focus on what really matters, like big ideas and strategy. In creative jobs, AI helps artists and musicians get past creative blocks. It's like having a buddy who's always ready to jam or brainstorm new ideas with you. You can bounce ideas around and come up with things you might not have thought of on your own. And at home, AI's there too. It can help you pick up a new language, plan out your meals, or even walk you through fixing something step by step. AI gives you the info and structure you need, and you bring the action and creativity. Working together, you can turn big, complicated tasks into simple steps. With AI by your side, you're more capable and confident than ever. The future? It's already here. so let's make the most of it together. So, we're stepping into a whole new era together, and you know what? There are some big questions waiting for us, like, how do we make sure AI helps everyone, and really matches what we care about? No matter how smart AI gets, it can't replace our creativity or feelings. AI doesn't feel wonder or get inspired like we do, so let's keep celebrating what makes us creative, and let AI help us shine even brighter. We don't want to lose that spark. It's super important to think for ourselves because honestly, AI can mess up or be a little biased sometimes. Our job? Ask questions, double-check things, and always use our own judgment. Using AI should make us think more, not less. We're just getting started on this journey, and there are lots of choices and challenges ahead. But if we stay curious and wise about AI, we can actually build a better world, together. The future? It's really just a big conversation. So let's make sure we lead it with heart and purpose. Hey, thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of AI. It's been great having you here with Insight Technologies. If you're curious and want to dig a little deeper and see what's next in tech and innovation, just swing by our channel when you've got a minute. We're always sharing the latest on AI and cool digital tools. And hey, we'd love for you to be part of our community of curious minds. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and stay connected with us as we figure out this ever-changing digital world together. Remember, a little curiosity can spark big discoveries. So hit subscribe, keep asking questions, and let's shape the future together.